It might be the most frequently asked question on the internet. How do I stop wasting time so I can get more done? What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV, where today we are talking about how to stop wasting time so you can get more done. And I want to share my method. So contrary to my normal design from the floor up method, this is my design from the top down method. So I start by planning my week from the top down. What do I mean by that? Well, I start with my whole schedule, my whole calendar. And during the week, I will have production days, I will have content creation days, and I will have higher learning days. Production days are for just that. Those are for production activities. Those are the days that I plan my content or write emails or that sort of thing. On the other hand, content creation days are the days where I film these videos or maybe do a podcast interview or something along that nature. And then higher learning days have been all sorts of things over the years, from learning how to market my business to learning cash flow management to now learning a new language so that I can help more people. But that's what higher learning days are for. Next, once I have my schedule laid out with those three things, I usually have 2 production days, 2 content creation days, and like 1 higher learning day. Or at least I did when I got started. Next up is to actually batch the content. For me, this is what works the best. Then I can stay focused and let my ADHD superpowers work for me. I can get hyper-focused into the moment. Today, I'm filming videos. Next week, those videos will go into editing, and then they'll be uploaded, but they'll be done as a group. I won't film one, then have it edited, and then uploaded. That would be a waste of time. And I like to be efficient with my time. So I like to batch content. On the other hand, sometimes it's hard for me to get started. The hyper-focus is great once it kicks in, but getting there sometimes takes a little bit of work. So I don't traditionally like Pomodoros due to the whole starting and stopping nature of them. It's distracting, but Pomodoros are a good option to get you started with work. For me, usually once I hit that first 25-minute timer, I don't really take the break. By then, usually I'm good and I'm well into my flow, and I'm able to just hit the button and keep on flowing. So if you also struggle with getting started, maybe check out this video that I made on beating procrastination, and let me know what you're gonna try to implement today to help you with getting more done tomorrow. I know that always seems so funny to stop working so that you can bring your focus over somewhere else, but a lot of times it's in the planning that you save all the time. An hour of planning can save you 10 hours of work, I think is what the statistic says. But it's a crazy amount of number. It's always in the design. So let me know in the comments below what you're gonna do today to set up your process, your system, your methodology for success tomorrow so that you can get more done. While you're down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.